Does Mama get a smile? Can I have a smile, honey? Can I have a smile? Can I have a smile? How about Catherine? Catherine, can I have a smile, honey? Can I have a smile, Christopher? Can I? Can I? Is there a smile in there? Hello? Hello? Catherine? Can I have a smile for... Can I have a smile, honey? I got your belly. I got your belly. Hello. Hello. No. How about Catherine? Catherine's concentrating. Hey, there's a smile for my son. There's a little smile, honey. Hey, Catherine. Catherine, honey. Catherine. Mwah! Catherine. Mwah! Mwah! Okay, we're not doing it.